she's sensing something.
To you to our cockatoos. Now there are currently 21 living species across the globe, but here in Cebu Ocean Park we have 3. So we have our silver-breasted cockatoo Phoebe, our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, and our umbrella cockatoo Rachel. So now once again, if our birds and trainers will roam around you, please do not try to reach or touch the feathers of our birds. So now let's call in Tweety, Nigel, and Snow. Now this is Tweety, with trainer next is Snow, and with trainer Andre is Nigel. Tropical rainforest. Now they are primarily white with black beaks, with a distinctive silver yellow crest. So this is their crest, and a yellowish underside beaks. So its scientific name is Cacatuea catarrhina. Now up next with trainer Andre is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, also known as the white cockatoo or the great white-breasted cockatoo. Now these birds are distinguishable from other white cockatoos because of their woolly white crest, which raises up like an umbrella. So if the crest ni Nigel masaka na, mura na siya umbrella ang burhang. So its scientific name is Cacatuea albacora. Now if you were to compare Tweety right here and Nigel out there, so obviously Tweety has a yellow crest, while Nigel has a pure white hinge. Now lastly right there with trainer Catherine is our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, also known as the south-breasted cockatoo because of their pinkish white colored feathers. So this endemic bird can be found in the Silang archipelago of Eastern Indonesia. And they are classified as the largest among the white cockatoos. So its scientific name is Cacatuea molossus. So in general, cockatoos may use the crest as a form of communication and indication of their mood, whether they are happy, friendly, or when in meeting. Now as you notice, cockatoos can be loud and can mimic the sound. That is what we call a mimicry behavior. So sila ni ang mga birds na makastorya. Now lastly, the bird makastorya na right here and there they can live up to 40 years old. While our Moluccan cockatoos Snow with trainer Catherine can live up to 70 years old. And so that is it for different kinds of cockatoos here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have our silver-breasted cockatoo Tweety, our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, our umbrella cockatoo Nigel.
Nakasulog na mo aron. 15.
So the numbers have been shuffled. Now let's call in our math wizard Snow. So your division is 5 plus 10.
15.
Asa 15?
Nakata sa nandun times is Snow, si trainer Yolo Magsabi. So 5 plus 10. Pwede ka naman sabat sa answer. Okay, Snow, are you ready? Okay, Snow, so equation for us. Snow picks up number 1. So is the first number correct?
Yes!
So Snow, so second number Snow. And there you go, 5 plus 10 is 15. So how about a round of applause for Snow? So we have our Brahmini kite and our Philippine serpent eagle. So now before we go in the raptors, I would like to ask everyone to please settle down, especially some kids, and no one shall pass the center stairs. So for the meantime, wala sa moagi sa center stairs. And if our bird fly over you, please do not try to reach or grab our bird.
Pwede na sila makaalis kay Tabel? Para mabanabana ko lang kung sa sila.
Once again, no one shall pass the center stairs.
Nananaw ni Okuan, bird show.
So now let's go in our Brahmini kite kingdom.
Ako na yun ang pwede na
Now, Brahmini kite, scientifically known as Haliastor indus. These flowers can be found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as sea eagles. So in the Philippines, they are known as Banok or Lawins in the Visayan region. So kung familiar mo na yung bird, mo na siya ang bird na sa showing Kuya Kim, yung matang lawin.
Batang lawin.
And so that is it for our Brahmini kite kingdom. Now up next is our Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy.
Nagtagsada sila balay ti.
Our Philippine serpent eagle, scientifically known as Philornis lucidus.
All na ba?
These endemic eagle can be found in the major islands of the Philippines, mostly found in open woodlands and forests. Now, Philippine serpent eagle and Philippine eagle are two different birds. So, see Freddy right there is our Philippine serpent eagle, while our Philippine eagle is 3 times larger than Freddy.
So,
And that is it for our Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy. Now, just a fun fact, both Freddy and Kingdom were donated by the DNR last ECQ 2019. So they are nearest trained and bred, so they are considered as trained birds. Now, lastly, for our flying birds, please look to your left, as we call it, our homing pigeons. See direction, altitude, and location. So how about a round of applause for our raptors and our